should be given 4,000 yuan because Shanghai is costly and over there cost of living is very much high. So the low skilled or no skilled person only will be given if you hire them. Minimum pay is 4,000 yuan. So here the salary is 2,000, but the government instructed you employers to pay 4,000. Then employer have no other choice to pay higher salary. And who wants this salary to be paid higher? Governments through some laws. Right? Number two, it's the market power of labor unions. When labor wants that we should be paid higher salary. So when labor wants, it's not like that one worker just go to the boss and say that I want higher salary. No. So they make unions. Union is a worker association that bargains with the employers over wages and working conditions. If you are not going to increase our salary, at least give us some good working conditions. Give us safety, satisfaction, that's why there are canteens in factories so that the employees can get a quality food, cheap food with the quality as well, right? So unions bargains and union have the power of strike as well. What if all workers go on strike? What will happen? The employer will get a huge loss. So if employers say that if employees say that we want higher salary, they send their unions workers over there and they negotiate to get higher salary, right? Does the government say that? No, it's the workers who are saying that we should be given higher salary. And how they do that? They go towards in union and they ask if their demands are not not met as well, they go for strikes. Strike refers to the organized withdrawal of labor from a firm by a union. The workers not going to work and they're going to be a no production. No production means you still have to pay fixed costs, rent, salaries of supervisor, marketing personnel, and that becomes your loss. Number three, if employer pay you higher salary. Now I raised the question earlier that why employer want to pay you higher salary? Right? There are some reasons. So let's talk about efficiency wages. Efficiency wages means when employer is giving you high salary without your demand, without the permission of the government. Government doesn't instruct him that you should pay higher salary. No, he paying with his own pleasure. Okay, I am pleased to give you higher salary. Why? And we call this efficiency salary. Why? To reduce the turnover so that this employee is not leaving us. You don't have a job. You have a house in, for example, in Suzhou, and you come to Shanghai because you don't have the job. And then you find a job in Suzhou, close to your neighborhood. In Shanghai, you are given also 4,000 yuan. In Suzhou, you are also given 4,000 yuan. Suzhou, this is Shanghai. So you would say that it's better to work in Suzhou because it's close to my house and I don't have to go to Shanghai as well. And you leave the job in Shanghai. You are a good worker, right? So the boss can say that, okay, I'm going to give you higher salary. How about 6,000? Then you can say that, okay, it's worth and stay with this company so that the workers may not leave you. That's why the employer going to give you higher salary. Number two, increase work effort. Even if your house you are living in Shanghai and you know that this firm A and firm B, the firm B is giving me higher salary, right? my job is the same. I'm accountant in both company. The company A is giving me 4,000, company B is giving me 6,000. So if company B is giving me 6,000, he's not giving 6,000 to a lazy worker. It means over there, they need work effort as well, so that I can increase the work effort as well. If there is work under pressure, if sometimes my job is 9 to 5, if some workload arises, I would be willing to work from 9 to 10 because he's giving me high salary, right? Plus, the worker will say that if I leave this job, nowhere in Shanghai I would be getting 6,000. I would be getting 4,000 in other companies. So if this company is giving me higher job, it's better to stay with this company. Only they require a little bit hard work to meet the targets. That's it. Also, if I would be working in company A, I also will be working hard to meet the targets. But they will be giving me 4,000 and these are giving me 6,000. Right? Number 3, the employer pay the higher salary to attract qualified workers, good workers, smart workers. If there is a job advertisement, right, and everybody is paying 4,000 salary and you said 6,000, and you say that you must have college or university degree and you must have 5-year experience as well, then I would be giving you 6,000. And they say that fresh graduates also can apply. So B is giving the employee higher salary to attract qualified workers so that they can manage the job well, right? So we have completed our discussion regarding the wages, right? The earnings. Number 1, equilibrium earning, we talk about that, and then we talk about above equilibrium earning or wages. Above equilibrium earnings can occur from 3 ways. Either government imposes a law. Second, either worker demand higher salary. Number 3, either employer give the employee higher salary, and these are the benefits, right? If you understand the discussion up till now, answer this concept checker. I'm going to be reading this. When the supply of workers is plentiful, one would predict that market wages would be ping ping min arane Junpyo Landry Harry Kathleen.
Is it C?
You said C.
C.
Very nice. Right? When supply increases, price go down. Very nice. How about this one? As more companies relies on computer databases and less on filing cabinets, then demand for computer programmers will rise, wages paid to filing clerks will rise, wages paid to computer programmers will rise. So you need to find the answer. Which one is the true answer?
C.
You said D or B?
C. C.
Okay, C. Anyone else? Okay, very nice. It's C. Why? Because less demand is means the salary going to be decreased or nobody wants to hire a clerk. Demand of computer programmer rises. Demand rises mean price or wages to the computer programmer is going to be increase. Next concept checker. I'm going to read that. Which of the following theories would suggest that attending school does not improve productivity, but a high ability workers are more likely to stay in school? What is the answer here? Landry, Junpyo,
B.
again. Attending schools does not improve productivity.